everybody, welcome to Asian Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to make shrimp salad. If you want to make a salad, let's give my recipe a try. You might like it. Okay, I'm going to marinate my shrimp. I have about 8 or 10 pieces in a bowl. Add salt and black pepper, and then add 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, and a little of mushroom powder. If you don't have mushroom powder, it's okay, just keep it. That's all seasoning you need, and then mix it up. Oh, so if you don't like to eat meat, you can substitute with tofu. It also works well. Then leave it about 20 minutes or more than that, depend on what you like. During we are waiting, you can make dressing. The dressing is easy and make a few minutes to cook. Okay, heat a pot. Add those cup of sugar, those cup of vinegar, those cup of water, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. And then stir until the sugar is dissolved. Let it simmer. Once it simmers, set it aside. So it will get more a little bit thickened. Next, I'm going to prepare vegetable. I have green radish, cut just like that. And then put in a bowl. Then I want some sliced cucumber, cherry tomato, loaded peanut for creamy taste. If you don't like, you can substitute with avocado. It's fine. Some fresh sliced onion. You can grill it if you like its smoky flavor. Some rice. This is sushi rice or any rice you have on hand. Then just set it aside. Next, I'm going to grill shrimp. The reason I cook them later because they won't take too long to cook. Add some garlic for more flavor if you like. I ate this salad many times. I just want to try the one without garlic this time. And then put on top of the rice. Sprinkle with cilantro leaf. When you eat, you can squeeze some lime, or if you want spicy, you can add some cilantro sauce in there. It also tastes well. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. If you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel, and then I'll see you in the next video with my new recipe. Bye!